Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Pratyush. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how can you add your app to the macOS menu bar. So with that being said, let's roll the intro. Alright, so we will start by importing Rumps. Rumps stand for Ridiculously Uncomplicated macOS Python Status Bar App. Well, this seems really crazy. It is a built-in on top of pyobjc and allows Python to interact with the native macOS menu bar. Now, in this code, we will create a class known as myMenuApp. This class inherits from the rumps.app, which represent a macOS menu bar application. Everything related to our menu app will live inside this class. Here we will define the constructor using the init and call the parent rumps.app initializer using the super. Now, name is the internal app name and title is what appears in the macOS menu bar. Here I am using an emoji for a cleaner look. I set the quit _ button to none because we will create a custom quit option ourselves. Now it's time to create the menu items. This is where we define our menu structure. Each menu item becomes a clickable option in the menu bar. None is used to create a separator line between each menu sections. So here we have a greetings option, a toggle feature and an alert and a quick button even though. Now let's create a function for the say hello. Here the rumps.clickDecorator connects a menu item to a function. When the user clicks say hello, this function runs. We use rumps.notification to trigger a native macOS notification with a title, subtitle and a message. Let's create a checkbox toggle. This menu item acts like a checkbox. Sender represents the menu item itself. Sender.status control whether the checkbox is checked or unchecked. By flipping the values, we toggle the features on and off. Now let's show a native alert box. This function shows a native macOS alert dialog. Now rumps.alert is a useful function which you can use to create attention, confirmation or any kind of warning inside your menu app. Since we have removed the default quit button, we need to create our own. So rumps.quit_application is the function which will handle it safely. So when we click it, then our app will automatically exit. Finally, we check if the script is running directly and start the app using the run method. Once this runs, the menu bar icon appears and the app works completely in the background. That's it, you have built a fully functional macOS menu bar app using Python. In future video, we can add timers, background tasks, system automation and even convert it into a .app file. I hope this video was really helpful and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.